In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an iced frappe coffee at home using Milk Frother. Let's start. To make an iced frappe coffee, first, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Sugar is optional, I make it without sugar. Then add about 1 finger of water to the glass. And then start to mix the mixture with a milk frother until a thick, creamy foam is produced. Once you get a thick creamy foam like this, add 2 or 3 ice cubes. If you want, you can add a little milk. Then fill up the glass with cold water. And finally, serve with a drinking straw. Your iced frappe coffee is ready, just stir and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.